Just because Miley Cyrus has evolved as a person since her more risque Bangerz days doesn't mean that she feels any part of her past should be brought down with a wrecking ball. In fact, it's quite the opposite. She tells NME Magazine, "I should be grateful every day for that song, and I am. I think people look at these things that they've done and there is this sense of shame, or I wish I wouldn't have done that. Not because I'm naked, by the way. It's because I feel like I'm in a deeper songwriting place." The singer is now able to be more critical of her art and reportedly considers herself more lyrically talented. She tells the magazine, "It feels like it doesn't reflect who I am now, but that's fine because it's not supposed to. I'm sure I'll say the same thing about this record at some point." Miley's new upcoming album, Younger Now, will embrace a more mature sound and lyrics. Sick of these promos? Then like us and subscribe so we won't have to make up any new ones.